Hi students. Okay, today in this lecture we discussing the topic is vector integral theorems, Stokes theorem. So in the previous lecture we completed the first theorem, Green's theorem. Now here in this lecture we learning the topic is second theorem, Stokes theorem. Okay, na? So it is a statement of Stokes theorem and how to verification of the Stokes theorem. Okay, na? See the first of all statement. So let S be an open surface bounded by a closed non-intersecting curve C, and if f bar is any differentiable vector point function, then integration over C f bar dot dr bar is equal to integration over S curl f bar dot n cap ds, where C is traversed in the positive direction and n cap is outward unit normal vector drawn at any point of the surface. That is here S is the open surface and the curve C is a closed curve and bounded by the open surface. And ఎలా ఉంటుంది చెప్పండి. So that is equal to here. For example, see the a globe or ball. Ball is some cut చేసేయండి. కట్ చేసి టేకింగ్ ద అప్పర్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది చెప్పండి ఇక్కడ. సో దట్ ఈస్ చూడండి ఇదే కదా అప్పర్ ఆఫ్ ది బాల్. ఇది ఓపెన్ అవునా, ఇది ఓపెన్, ఇది సర్ఫేస్, ఓపెన్ సర్ఫేస్ అండ్ ఇది బౌండరీ అండి సి, ఇది బౌండరీ సి. ఇది ఎలా ఉంది చూడండి, ఇది ఓపెన్ సర్ఫేస్ ఈజ్ ద బౌండరీ సి. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఓపెన్ సర్ఫేస్ మీన్స్ ద స్పియర్ ఆఫ్ స్పియర్ means that is open surface and its boundary is the circle. Okay na, that is a for example simple example, open surface with boundary is the circle of the sphere. So now this line integration over C is equal to the surface integral over S of curl f bar, not a f bar and curl f bar, surface integral of curl f bar over S is equal to both are same. The line integration over C is equal to surface integral over S of curl f bar is equal to both are same. This is a Stokes theorem. Okay na? So n cap is any unit normal vector to the surface. Okay na? So now this is relation between line integration and surface integral. So now verification this Stokes theorem. Okay. Okay, first example on Stokes theorem. Verify Stokes theorem for f bar is equal to 2x minus y into I minus z square y into j minus y square z into k, where S is the upper of surface of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1 and C its boundary. Okay, already I told in the for simple example in the previous slide, that is a sphere, upper of sphere అండి. అంటే upper of sphere means the upper of is on x axis or on y axis or on z axis. ఎక్కడైనా తీసుకోవచ్చండి upper of surface. Is not given in the question mentionedly at a fixed axis. Choosing any upper of this surface is choosing on x axis, on y axis or z axis. Okay na? So now assumption here. So given vector field f bar is equal to here 2x minus yi minus z square yj minus y square z. Okay. Stokes theorem is this line integration over C is equal to surface integral over S of curl f bar. So first we have to finding the line integral finding. Okay na? Since S is the upper of surface of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1. This is the given surface, and C is its boundary. Then C is the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 in xy plane. And now assumption the upper of surface on z axis. We can choose already చెప్పాను మీకు y axis తీసుకోవచ్చు, z axis తీసుకోవచ్చు, x తీసుకోవచ్చు. Now in this I am choosing the upper of surface on z axis, and its boundary ఎలా ఉంటుంది? Its boundary is on opposite plane అంటే xy plane, and the boundary is lies in xy plane. చూడండి ఇక్కడ the upper of surface here on z axis, ఇది boundary C, ఇది boundary C, this is the open surface S. సింపుల్ ఫామ్ ఆన్ z axis, ఇది క్లోజ్డ్, ఇది ఓపెన్ కదా. మనకి క్లోజ్డ్ కరకు మాత్రమే ఈ డానెట్ ఎడిట్ నార్మల్ వెక్టర్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ క్లోజ్డ్ ఇయర్, దిస్ ఇస్ ఓపెన్ టు ది on z axis కదా. along z axis means along z axis the outward init normal vector is k cap. అవునా, this is outward init normal vector k. So directly simple form n cap is equal to k, that is outward init normal vector to the surface S. This is the boundary circle. Circle boundaries already lies in xy plane. So boundary is the C. C is the circle which is lies in xy plane. That is xy plane means z is equal to 0 kada. From this sphere substituting z is equal to 0 and x square plus y square is equal to 1. So now simple form assumption the polar form, x is equal to cos theta, y is equal to sin theta. So dx is equal to minus sin theta d theta, dy is equal to cos theta d theta. So the circle kada, circle means complete total circle, the theta limits are 0 to 2 pi. So theta limit 0 to 2 pi. So that is equal to here. So given vector field f bar and dr bar is equal to this one, dxi plus dyj plus dzk. So therefore line integration over C f bar dot dr bar is equal to dot product f dot dr bar, that is equal to this one, f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. So that is equal to, so x is converted to theta and y is converted to theta kada. X place lo cos theta, y place lo sin theta replacing, and theta limits 0 to 2 pi. And ఇక్కడ z is equal 0 కదా, in the xy plane z is equal 0 and this value 0 and this value 0. చూడండి 0 0. Okay na, since z is equal 0, simplification is integration theta is equal 0 to 2 pi minus 2 sin theta cos theta, multiplication both. Okay na, minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta, integration over 0 to 2 pi. Here sin 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 2 into d theta. Now integration with respect to theta, so that is equal to integration of minus sin 2 theta is equal to cos 2 theta by 2 plus 1 by 2 into theta, integration of cos theta sin theta by 2, 4, 0 to 2 pi. Substituting theta is equal to 2 pi, 1 by 2 plus pi minus 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 0 plus 0, that is equal to 1 by 2 cancel, is equal to pi. This is the required value of line integration over C. Now we have to finding the surface integral of curl f bar, the right side part. So to finding the surface integral over S. So first of all finding curl f bar. Curl f bar is equal to del cross f bar, data of I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. There is f1 2x minus y, f2 minus z square y f3 minus y square z. Now that is equal to I into, so this is a dou by dou y of this value minus 2yz minus dou by dou z of this value plus 2zy minus j into dou by dou x of this value 0, dou by dou z of this value 0 plus k cap dou by dou x of this value 0 minus of dou by dou y of this value minus of minus plus. That is equal, this is the cancel, that is equal to k cap. And since surface S is on z axis, then outward unit normal vector to the surface is n cap is equal to k cap, directly given. And మనకి surface open surface ఏమో z axis, surface total surface on the z axis is only upper of surface, that is outward to the surface is n cap. So let R be the projection of S in xy plane. Similarly, and z axis together. Now projection of the given surface on opposite plane. What is the opposite plane? XY plane. So now let R be the projection of the surface in xy plane. Z is equal to 0. From the given surface is x square plus y square is equal to 1. That is a region. And ఎందుకంటే మనకి xy plane got z is equal to 0. From the given sphere is x square plus y square is equal to 1. That is the region in xy plane. And radius r is equal to 1. Therefore, surface integral of curl f bar dot n cap ds is equal to formula integration over s curl f bar dot n cap ds is equal to value dx dy by mod n cap dot k cap. So integration over r curl f bar dot n cap means curl f bar ante k cap avuna dot k cap 1 avuna. So dx by dy is equal to mod k cap dot k cap అంటే 1 అంటే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఓవర్ ఆర్ డబుల్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఓవర్ ఆర్ dx dy అండ్ ఇక్కడ కాన్స్టెంట్ 1 కదా, దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఏరియా. సో దిస్ ఫార్ములా ఈజ్ ద డైరెక్ట్ ఈజ్ ద ఏరియా అండ్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది రీజియన్ ఆర్, బట్ రీజియన్ ఆర్ ఈజ్ సర్కిల్ x square plus y square is equal to 1. So therefore area of the circle, what is the formula? Pi r square కదా, ఇక్కడ r is equal radius ఎంత 1 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది pi into 1 square అంటే pi into 1 square అంటే pi. So this is the area of the given circle x square plus y square is equal to 1, that is equal to value is pi. ఇక్కడ చూడండి line integration is pi, surface integral of curl f bar is equal to pi అంటే both are same. So therefore hence Stokes theorem is verified. Okay na, this is the verification of Stokes theorem. So next one, next example. Verify Stokes theorem for f bar is equal to 3x minus y I minus 2z square y j minus 2y square z k, where s is the surface of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 16 comma z greater than or equal to 0. So this is the same problem in the first problem అండి. ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ స్పియర్ ఇచ్చాడు, అది ఓన్లీ z greater than or equal to 0 అంటే along z axis, not below z is equal to 0, only above z is equal to 0 అంటే only upper of the surface of the sphere, only z axis is fixed but not taking on y axis on z axis. అంటే ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం మనకి ఎలాంటి క్వశ్చన్లో మెన్షన్ చేయలేదు కదా, అంటే చూసింగ్ ఎనీ x axis y axis z axis, బట్ హియర్ ఓన్లీ చూసింగ్ ద open surface on z axis only, its projection on xy plane is the fixed only 1. So given vector field f bar, Stokes theorem, this is a Stokes theorem, line integration is equal to surface integral. So first we have to finding the line integration LHS part, line integration over c f bar dot dr bar. Since s is the surface of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 16 above z is equal to 0. And let C is its boundary, then C is the circle x square plus y square is equal to 16 in xy plane. And xy plane ఏమవుతుంది మనకి z is equal to 0 కదా. సర్ఫేస్కి z is equal to 0 అంటే రిమైనింగ్ x square plus y square is equal to 16. This is the circle which is lies in xy plane. It's the boundary. So that is equal to same problem. This is the open surface S. So to this surface, the outward normal vector is k. So the boundary is C. The region or R is the circle in xy plane. Same polar coordinates on this circle. Let x is equal to 4 cos theta. 4 cos theta means radius is 4 kada. R is equal to 4 and y is equal to 4 sin theta. So dx is equal to minus 4 sin theta d theta. Dy is equal to 4 cos theta d theta. And the theta limits the complete circle. Theta limits 0 to 2 pi. Okay. Okay. Given vector field f bar and dr bar is equal to here. So therefore line integration over C f bar dot dr bar is equal to integration over C f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. So that is equal to integration over theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi. So x plus low 4 cos theta, y plus low 4 sin theta, and z is equal to here 0. Here z is equal to 0. Both values zeros. Okay na? After simplification is integration theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi. So that is equal to simplification all. So multiplication is minus 48 sin theta cos theta plus 16 sin square theta d theta. Integration 0 to 2 pi here. Minus 24 into 2 sin theta cos theta means sin 2 theta plus 16 into 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Now integration 24 into integration of sin minus cos 2 theta by 2. So plus this is 8 theta minus 8 into sin 2 theta by 2. Substituting theta limits 2 pi, that is 12 plus 16 pi minus 0. Next lower limit theta is equal to 0. Cos 0 1 ante minus 12 minus 0 plus 0. 12 is the cancel. So that is equal to 16 pi. This is the line integration over C. So now finding the surface integral of curl f bar. So to find the surface integral over S, curl f bar dot n cap ds. First of all, we have to finding curl f bar del cross f bar is equal to I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. This is the f1, f2, f3. So I into here this value dou by dou y of, that is minus 4yz minus of dou by dou z plus 4zy. J dou by dou x of this value 0 minus dou by dou z of this value 0. Next plus k into dou by dou x of this value 0 minus of dou by dou y this value minus 1. That is k. That is equal to k. And since surface S is on z axis, then outward unit normal vector to the surface n cap is equal to k cap. You know? So that is equal to here. Let R be the projection of the surface in xy plane. Okay, now surface of the projection is opposite plane. Opposite plane is only xy plane. Xy plane means z is equal to 0. Therefore, from the given surface, the region is circle. X square plus y square is equal to 16. R is equal to 4. Therefore, surface integral over S curl f bar dot n cap ds is equal to projection on xy plane. Integration over R curl f bar dot n cap into dx dy by mod n cap dot k cap. That is equal to, this is a curl f bar dot n cap ante k cap dot k cap ante 1. So dx by dy by mod k cap dot k అంటే k is 1. That is equal to integration over r dx dy. So integration of over r dx dy means the double integration of 1 means formula is the area of the region. What is the region? R is circle. So circle means the x square plus y square is equal to 16 కదా. అంటే area of the circle is pi r square. R is equal to 4 అంటే 5 4 square అంటే 16 pi. So the area of there is surface integral is 16 pi. Already finding the LHS spot value is 16 pi again. Line integration. This surface integral is 16 pi. Both are same. Hence Stokes theorem is verified. Okay, this is a verification of Stokes theorem. See the next example. Use Stokes theorem. Evaluate integration over c y dx plus z dy plus x dz, where c is the curve of intersection of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square, and the plane x plus z is equal to a. So this is one of the difficult problem and one important question. See the area. Only use Stokes theorem only, not verification. So given is line integration given, and which is converted to the surface integral. Now to find surface integral over s curl above dot n k of ds, that is a value finding. Okay na? So that is equal first of all. So given integration over c, that is a line integration over c above dot dr bar, and ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. అంటే f bar is equal ఏమవుతుంది f1i plus f2j plus f3k కదా. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ వెక్టర్ f bar is equal to yi plus zj plus xk, and r bar is equal position vector okay, dr bar is equal to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. So this is a Stokes theorem. Line integration is equal to surface integral. So given let the surface is, and a given surface and a given sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square, and the plane x plus z is equal to a intersecting the surface, intersection of the sphere, where in the xz plane. Okay, we getting the surface is only the plane is the line x plus z is equal to a. This is the surface. So pi is equal to assumption the surface x plus z minus a. So to this surface you have to finding outward unit normal vector, that is n cap you have to finding. So normal vector n bar is equal to del pi. Del pi is equal to I dou pi by dou x plus j dou pi by dou y plus k dou pi by dou z, that is equal to I plus k. అంటే j0 అంటే dou pi dou y 0 కదా, ఓన్లీ 1 అంటే I plus 0 j plus 1 k. So I plus k, this is a normal vector. Now unit normal vector n cap is equal del pi by mod del pi is equal to I plus k by square root of 1 square plus 1 square into 1, that is equal to I plus k by root 2. This is the unit normal vector to the surface x plus z is equal to a. See the graph. So observe the graph. See the carefully x axis, y axis, z axis. Avuna? This is a sphere andi. Avuna? This sphere and this plane x plus z is equal to a, both are intersecting here. Ikkada chudandi, idi intersecting of the sphere and the plane, that is the line x plus z is equal to a. So after intersection both we getting a circle. So observe cheyandi, అంటే ద స్పియర్ని ద లైన్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ జెడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకు ఒక సర్కిల్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుందండి. సో అది సర్కిల్ అజంప్షన్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ జెడ్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆర్ స్క్వేర్. వై ఇన్ ద ప్లేన్ ఈజ్ జెడ్ఎక్స్ ప్లేన్ కదా, ఇక్కడ చేయండి జెడ్ఎక్స్ ప్లేన్ కాబట్టి మనకి స్పియర్ ఏంటిది ఈక్వేషన్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ జెడ్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ స్క్వేర్, అవునా. సో అక్కడ అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ వై ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0 అవుతుంది, జెడ్ఎక్స్ ప్లేన్ కదా, అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ జెడ్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ రేడియస్ ఆర్ స్క్వేర్. ఆ సర్కిల్ యొక్క రేడియస్ నాట్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ అండి, అవునా, రేడియస్ డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది. మన స్పియర్కి అక్కడ సర్కిల్కి రేడియస్ నాట్ సేమ్. సో స్పియర్ రేడియస్ ఈజ్ ఏ స్క్వేర్. సో ఇది ఏ కదా, ఇది ఏరియా రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ ది sphere A, but this is a circle exists after both intersecting. A circle exists in the zx plane. The circle assumption x square plus z square is equal to a square. So ఇదేమవుతుంది మనకి ఓపెన్ కదా, ఓపెన్ సర్ఫేస్ అవుతుంది కదా, ఇది మనకి x plus z is equal to assumption the surface equation x plus z is equal to a. ఇది బౌండరీ అవుతుంది, అవునా, ఇది బౌండరీ సి సర్కిల్, ఓకేనా. సర్ఫేస్ అజంప్షన్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ జెడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ. సో ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ జెడ్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ సర్కిల్. నౌ ఫైండింగ్ ద రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్. ఎలా వస్తుంది రేడియస్ ఆర్, ఇది మొత్తం డయామీటర్ అండి, అవునా, ఇది కూడా ఆర్, ఇది కూడా ఆర్ఏ రేడియస్. ఈ టోటల్ 2r అంటే డయామీటర్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్. సో p is how to finding p is the perpendicular length from the origin to the line x plus z is equal to a. ఇది p ఇచ్చిరండి, ఇది p is the distance means perpendicular distance to the line x plus z is equal to a from the origin. అది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి మనం, అవునా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది ఏంటిది రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పియర్ ఏ, ఇది రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్. అంటే నౌ ఫైండింగ్ ద సర్కిల్ ఆఫ్ ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్. హౌ టు ఫైండింగ్ బై యూజింగ్ పైథాగరస్ థీరం, అవునా. దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ మనకి a square is equal to p square plus r square. How to finding the radius in the నెక్స్ట్ స్లైడ్, అది ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ చెప్తాను, ఓకేనా. ఇది మనకి ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పియర్ అండ్ ప్లేన్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకు ఒక సర్కిల్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఆ సర్కిల్ ఏమవుతుందంటే బౌండరీ అవుతుంది. ఇది సర్ఫేస్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ జెడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ అవుతుంది అనమాట, ఓకేనా. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏ అనేది రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పియర్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ పి అనేది perpendicular distance from the origin 0,0,0 to the line x plus z is equal to a. Then finding r. See that. Now continuation. So first finding curl f bar is equal to del cross f bar. So I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z y z x I into this is dou by dou y of x minus dou by dou z of z minus 1 minus j dou by dou x of x 1 dou by z of y 0 plus k dou by dou x of z 0 dou by dou y of 1 minus 1, that is equal to minus I minus j minus k. Next one, curl f bar dot n cap. N cap is already finding unit normal vector. So curl f bar dot n cap is equal to minus I minus j minus k dot I plus k by root 2, that is equal to minus 1 dot product I dot and k dot minus 1 by root 2, that is equal to minus root 2. Since by intersection of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square and the plane x plus z is equal to a in zx plane, then there exists a circle. Already I told in the previous slide, both are intersection, we getting a circle in zx plane. The circle equation assumption x square plus z square is equal to r square. And where is the రేడియస్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ బై. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ రేడియస్ ఏమవుతుంది మనకి యూజింగ్ ద పైథాగరస్ థియరం కదా. సో దట్ హైపోటెన్యూస్ హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది బోత్ సైడ్స్, స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ ది బోత్ సైడ్స్. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది మనకి ఇక్కడ ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ పీ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ స్క్వేర్ కదా. హైపోటెన్యూస్ ఏంటిది ఇక్కడ ఏ, సైడ్ ఏ కదా, అంటే ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ పీ స్క్వేర్. సో therefore but required here finding radius r. R is the radius of the circle. R is equal to formula here square root of a square minus p square. How to finding radius r? A is already clear, and p is the perpendicular distance from the origin to this line x plus z is equal to a. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, a is the radius of the given sphere and p is the perpendicular distance from the origin to the line x plus z is equal to a. మనకి ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను ఇన్ ద ఫిగర్లో, ఓకేనా. సో దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ. సో p is equal to, what is the formula for perpendicular distance from the origin? మనకి ఒక ఫార్ములా ఉంటుంది కదండి, ఇది డిస్టెన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ది పాయింట్, ఇది x1 y1 z1 టు ది, ఓకే ఇక్కడ 2D కాబట్టి x1 y1 టు ది లైన్ ax ప్లస్ by ప్లస్ c ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 0 కదా. దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఫార్ములా మోడ్ ax1 ప్లస్ by1 ప్లస్ c బై స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్ ఫార్ములా, అవునా. దిస్ లైన్ ఈజ్ x ప్లస్ z ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ a కదా. పాయింట్ ఈజ్ 0, 0. సో 0, 0 పాయింట్ ఈజ్ 0 ఇంటూ x, 0 ప్లస్ 0 ఇంటూ z, 0 మైనస్ ఇక్కడ ఏ కదా, ఏ వాల్యూ కాన్స్టెంట్ రైట్ ఇన్సైడ్ మైనస్ ఏ బై మోడ్ స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ 1 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి 1 స్క్వేర్. దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఏమవుతుంది, మోడ్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ ఏ బై రూట్ 2. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అ పర్పెండిక్యులర్ డిస్టెన్స్ పి a by root 2. Therefore radius is r is equal to square root of a square minus a by 2 whole square. That is equal to ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ మనకి a square by 2 కదా, 2 a square minus a square by 2 అంటే ఏమొస్తుంది a by root 2. The radius is a by root 2. ఓకేనా. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ x square plus z square is equal to r square. So that is equal to continuation. So by Stokes theorem, line integration over C, that is equal to integration over S, curl f bar dot n cap ds is equal to, so integration over C y dx plus z dy plus x dz is equal to integration over S, curl f bar dot n cap, curl f bar dot n cap is equal to anything మనకి మైనస్ రూట్ 2 కదా, ఆల్రెడీ ఫైండింగ్ ఇన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ స్లైడ్, ఇంటూ ds. సో మైనస్ రూట్ 2 ఇంటూ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఓవర్ s ds, దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్ టు here okay, that is equal to minus root 2 is the common integration over s ds. ఇక్కడ చూడండి. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది సర్ఫేసే కదా, అంటే ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది రీజన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో సర్ఫేస్ ఇన్ ద ZX plane. సో ఇన్ ద ZX plane ద సర్ఫేస్ ఈజ్ గెటింగ్ ద రీజన్ ఈజ్ ఓన్లీ సర్కిలే కదా, రీజన్ ఈజ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఈజ్ ద సేమ్. ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది బై x plus z ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు దర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఏ సర్ఫేస్ హియర్, సర్ఫేస్ ఈజ్ ద సర్కిల్ x square plus z square is equal to r square. R square is the radius r is equal to a by root 2 కదా, అంటే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఓవర్ ఎస్ 1 ds, ఇక్కడ 1 అనేది కాన్స్టెంట్ కదా, ds ఈజ్ ఆల్సో సేమ్ dx dy ఆర్ dy dz ఆర్ dz dx కదా. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది సర్ఫేస్, ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది సర్ఫేస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హియర్ రీజన్ ఈజ్, దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్, ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది రీజన్ ఈజ్ ద సర్కిల్, దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమవుతుంది పై ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ కదా. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ రూట్ 2, so into the area of the circle x square plus z square is equal to r square, where r is equal to a by root 2, that is equal to minus root 2 into 5 into r square. R square is equal to a by root 2 whole square. So that is equal to minus 5a square by root 2. ఇక్కడ 2 కదా, 2 అంటే root 2 into root 2. Root 2 is one of the cancel in the denominator. So that is the required value is minus pi a square by root 2. This is the required value of the given integration, that is line integration, by using the Stokes theorem. Okay na? Is it clear here? The surface integral here. Surface integral means double integration. That is the area of the region. ఇక రీజియన్ ఏమంటే మనకి సర్కిల్ కదా, ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్, ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది రీజియన్. ఎస్ మీన్స్ గివెన్ రీజియన్, ద గివెన్ ఈజ్ ఈ సర్కిల్. సో ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది సర్కిల్ పై ఆర్ స్క్వేర్. ఓకేనా? Okay, see the next example. Use Stokes theorem, evaluate integration over c x plus 2y into dx plus x minus z into dy plus y minus z into dz, where c is the boundary, the triangle with vertices 2, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 0, 6. And a boundary is given a triangle and the open surface is S with there is tetrahedron only in the first octant, and because manaki 2, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 6 and only the region is in the first octant. So given line integration over c is equal to assumption integration over c f bar dot dr bar. So here f bar is equal to here, this is f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz together. So that is equal to here f bar is equal to x plus 2y into y plus x minus z into j plus y minus z into k and or sorry the dr bar. So dr bar is equal to dxi plus dyj plus dzk. So that is equal to here Stokes theorem. By using Stokes theorem, and C is the boundary, the triangle with it is. So with vertices 2, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 6. So idandi. This vertices the plane. This is a tetrahedron. Only C is the boundary of the triangle, means only lies in first octant. Okay na? So that is equal to here. Like the surface equation is x by 2 plus y by 3 plus z by 6 is equal to 1. That is equal to like formula undi kada, x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1. That is intersective form. Okay na? So therefore surface equation let pi is equal to 3x plus 2y plus z is equal minus 6. Now finding the outward unit normal vector. Normal vector n pi is equal to del pi. This is the formula. That is equal to 3i plus 2j plus k. So unit normal vector is n cap is equal to del pi by mod del pi. That is equal to 3i plus 2j plus k by root 14. This is the outward unit normal vector to the surface. Okay. See the next one. Let R be the projection of the surface on xy plane. ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవచ్చు ప్రొజెక్షన్, ఎందుకంటే మనకి ఇచ్చింది ఫస్ట్ octant కదా. So now projection on xy plane or yz plane or zx plane. Now choosing here xy plane. So therefore surface integral curl f bar dot n cap ds is equal to integration over r curl f bar dot n cap dx dy by mod n cap dot k. That is equal, first finding curl f bar is equal to I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z x plus 2y x minus z y minus z. So that is equal to here I dou by dou y of y minus z is equal to 1 minus dou by dou z of this one plus 1 minus j into dou by dou x of y minus z 0 minus dou by dou z of x plus 2y 0 plus k into dou by dou x of x minus z minus of dou by dou y of x plus 2y minus 2, that is equal to 2i minus k. So that is equal to here, okay, that is equal to value 2i minus k. So curl above dot n cap is equal to 2i minus k dot n cap is equal to 3i plus 2j plus k by root 14, that is equal to 6 minus 1 by root 14, that is equal to 5 by root 14. So and n cap dot k cap is equal to that is only dot k, that is 1 by root 14. Okay na? So that is equal to here, since the region R lies in xy plane in first quadrant, because we assumption the projection on xy plane here, so that is equal to region is R is in the xy plane. So from the given surface, substituting z is equal to 0, that is equal to, this is from the given surface, then we have the region is 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. So idan manaki region R only in the xy plane, this line is 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. So in the region of choosing any vertical strip, okay na, the vertical strip moving along x axis, x limit is constant, y limit is function of x, okay na. So y limits are y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 6 minus 3x by 2. These are y limits, function of x. X limits, x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2. Okay na? So see, this is from the given region R. So by Stokes theorem, so integration over c f bar dot dr bar is equal to surface integral over s curl f bar dot n cap ds, that is equal to, this is the given line integration, that is equal to surface integral over s f bar dot n cap ds is equal to, this is the projection on R kada, that is equal to double integration over R. So integration over R curl f bar dot n cap is equal to 5 by root 14 into dx dy by mod n cap dot k cap. So that is equal to n cap dot k cap is equal to integration over R 5 by root 14 into dx by dy by 1 by root 14. 1 by root 4 is a cancel, 5 is a constant. So in the region R, the limits x is equal to 0 to y is equal to 0 to 6 minus 3x by 2. So dy dx 5 into, first integrate with respect to y, integration x is equal to 0 to integration of 1 with respect to y, y limit 0 to 2 6 minus 3x by 2 into dx. 5 into integration x is equal to 0 to 2 6 minus 3x by 2 into dx. So now with respect to x, 5 by 2 is a constant, 6x minus 3 into x square by 2, x limit 0 to 2, 5 by 2 into 6 into 2, 12 minus that is equal to 3 into 2, 6, that is equal, required value is 15. So this is the required value of line integration by using Stokes theorem. Okay. So that is the required values of the line integration is equal to 15. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. This is the problems on Stokes theorem. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.